Welcome to True Service and Documentation's YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to connect to EGYM on a True Unite touchscreen console. First, enter Manager mode by pressing the True logo until the keypad pops up on the screen. Then, type in 10101 to manage the back end of the console. When the summary page appears, press the Setup tab. This is the TV setup page. Then press Network Setup. In this video, we have already set up our wireless connection. Next step is to click on the Integrations tab. This takes you to the page where you enter your EGYM ID and password. Once entered, touch Validate Registration. When successful message appears, go into Options tab and check the EGYM Workout Enabled box. At this time, you may exit to the home page. Click on the EGYM logo for instructions on how to connect. Or simply hold your RFID near the NFC reader below to log into EGYM. Your homepage options now include EGYM workouts. You can approve, edit the workout, or simply start the workout. As you can see, the workout details transferred over nicely. At the end of the workout, press Stop and End Workout. A window will appear showing your data is syncing to EGYM. When you X out of that window, you will see your workout summary. Press the Home tab, and the machine will be ready for the next workout. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to contact us if you have further questions.